See, certainly technology is the objective when anyone invents new technology is to improve the standards of life. I think that's the whole purpose behind the technology innovation. Now, one is about availability of technology. Second is about awareness of what it can do for you. Third is about usage of it for the purpose. Now, if we take sustainability, if we take climate, environment, if we take the whole agriculture, how it is, how can a modeling help or how can a digital twin? India is home for thousands of elephants. Coffee and tea, they are fantastic products of India. And you have these beautiful coffee plantations in the northeastern part and also in the southern part of India. Now, elephants and humans have coexisted for many years. Now, these elephants, they love environment. They love greenery. They need water. So they pass through the coffee plantation where these hundreds of workers are there, and coffee plantations are millions of hectares. So you have villages, you have people, then you have animals. Now, we at the group level, what we've done is using the sensors, using the modeling, we have kind of created a safe corridor for the elephants that the sensors alert, they make some noise, and they divert the elephant in a certain direction. Without this, a lot of elephants were getting killed because they go into an uncertain path, they go on the road, you have this traffic, and humans are getting worried. They kind of try to drive them away. And in the process, humans also have lost some lives, and elephants, they moved away from this herd. A technology can also help in maintaining the nature. This is such a small example, but it has such a profound impact in bringing the wildlife and humans together. Using modeling, using sensors.